Let's talk about the Teezer strapless strap-on vibrator. This is the Teezer strapless strap-on vibrator itself, and it comes with a pink colour, a USB charging cable and a remote control. Now this strap-on vibrator lets both partners enjoy it, and it can be worn without a harness. It features a soft silicone material and two ends, one for the woman and one for her partner. The core is firm but flexible enough for a comfortable anal or vaginal stimulation, and the vibrator stays perfectly in place thanks to its ergonomic design. It is flexible for a comfortable fit. The two motors have no less than 10 vibration settings and 3 thrust modes, which you can easily control with the wireless remote control. The buttons are on the back just here. The one with the wavy lines activates the vibrator, and the 2 arrows activate the thrusting. To turn on, push and hold on each button for 2 to 3 seconds and a pink light will come on. This means they're active. Click on one and, for example, the vibrations have already started. Click on that same button to switch between the settings. To activate the thrust, click on the button just here, and as you can see, it's already thrusting. Click on that same button to change the thrust settings. To use in combination with the remote control, simply click on the vibration or the thrust button and have lots of fun experimenting. Both motors can be acted independently of one another. To turn one off, for example, push and hold on the one you want to turn off, and as you can see, the vibrations is turned off. You can also turn off the thrusting, yet the motors are still active. To turn off the motors, push and hold for a few seconds on each button, and it's now off. It is rechargeable using your magnetic USB charging cable. Attach the 2 metal dots together like so, and it can be recharged. Now, when using this strapless strap-on vibrator, we'd highly recommend to use it in combination with a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. For more information on the Teezer strapless strap-on vibrator, you can head over to our website. Be sure to give this video a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.